लिखो भाई, गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। सर, I am as dejected today as I was on the day the finance minister presented the budget. The description of the problems is correct, but the proposed solutions are not acceptable to us. I do not agree with the concept that linking the Indian economy with the world economy will improve the situation. By world economy, we mean the combined economy of the G8 nations. These nations taken together account for 12% of the world's population and 70% of the world production. How can we compare the economy of poor countries like India with the economies of those nations when the per capita income in India is rupees 40,000 and the per capita income in USA is rupees 5 lakhs, and in the case of G8 it is between rupees 4 lakhs and rupees 5 lakhs. The needs of the Indian people are different from those of the people of America, Britain and Japan. When we return from visits to foreign countries, we talk about the developments in those countries and want to know why such developments do not take place in India. We always try to adopt the latest trends in foreign countries, but this thinking is detrimental to national interest. Therefore, it is not possible for me to think the way the Honorable Minister of Finance thinks, nor do I agree to his views. Mr. Speaker, sir, I heard the speech delivered by the Honorable Minister of Finance. He reiterated the same point that had we failed to pay back the debt we have taken, we would have also been in the same condition in which countries of Latin America have fallen. I share the concern of the Honorable Minister about Latin America, whose condition deteriorated because of their close link with international institutions like IMF, World Bank and other financial institutions and multinationals. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to tell the people of the country the stark reality that by getting the finance bill passed, the government is going to take the path which would lead to dangerous situation and which will not be a different situation from the situation of political slavery of the country passed through for a long time, unless corrective measures are taken against the implementation of this bill, especially when the country is in a very bad shape.